So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's up, JJLEE squad? It's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video. I told y'all 2023 I got all new mods coming for the car. Like, it's getting a new, completely new look, a new kit, new wide body kit, new wheels, new everything. So pretty much I'm gonna show y'all the new wheels. They just came in, delivered, got them from factory reproduction. So let's go ahead and turn this camera around. There you go. Y'all like that? Already. Like I said, from factory reproductions, as y'all know, I'm getting a new wide body kit coming from, it's coming all the way from Russia, y'all. A new wide body kit coming from Russia. It's on its way, so you know, if I'm changing up the whole new kit, I'm gonna need all new wheels. So, let me go ahead and show y'all the new wheels. Look at that. I think it's a new anniversary wide body Hellcat wheels. With a negative 2.5 offset. They are 20 by 11, negative 2.5 offset, and gloss black. I was like, man, maybe it's time for me to have some black wheels. So here they are in gloss black. Y'all ain't ready, bro. Y'all ain't ready. Look at these thick boys, bro. I'm gonna have to take this out. Hold up. Dang, look at the barrel. These are real clean, cause you know, y'all know I got spacers on my car right now. And I'm sick of the spacers, so. God dang. So there you go. Side profile in the back. Tried to replicate, we tried to replicate the dang wide body wheels with the spacers, but it doesn't work out right like that. I mean, it works out, it has a nice stance, but it's about time I got some new color wheels, different style wheels in general. And these I really like, bro. I like them a lot. So tell me what y'all think about the new wheels. Stay tuned, I got more coming. Like I said, new body kit. I will be doing the install myself, so just stay tuned. I will catch y'all later. Thank y'all for watching, and stay down, because this is going to be a crazy year.